struggling a bit on that right-hand side, not going at full pace anymore.
Thathwa kahle lo Pollock Solomons wangena ngaphakathi eboxini yabathwa yabekwa Mnateli Lilepo Zuzu wesithathu yakhawuleza iKaizer Chiefs yathi masiyenze lento iqatha ube yakwayiphina icala.
Now that pace from Lilepo, this looks promising for Kaizer Chiefs. Good shot.
Touches there, and a wonderful save from Gaza. Still alive, and they've got it. Lilepo. It's been coming, but they have been patient about the build-up. So sweet from Lollipop, as he's been christened by the Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs fans, what an impact this man has made since being signed. Once again, those combinations through the middle I was talking about with SuperSport, for the most part, were able to defend. And I can't even say there was a level pressure, there was pressure, but the pass was so good that it got through. And Lilepo obviously leaving his far side or wide right position, attacks that middle, and that ball falls.
Lollipop, si aimunya. Bachifa kushukela simunye mtanami. Lollipop, amakosa. Zobona phakathi boxing is putu
the Peter Shalulile doing what he does best, pressing from the front. Lilepo now will go in a bit of a gallop here. Suarez has got pace with about him. Lilepo still going, cuts it across, then it's still kept still staying.
Zabatingeli news asenachurena ongaphasa ngaphezulu ukhala uzukuzuku zashubaqeka sibatshelile bona sathu yezu mudi isathu yezu pule mudi jelivumile idlozi usefikile unabi izimpofana zakhe
lapha ke Maccabi Lilepo Claude Lilepo Lollipop ekudla nathi Lollipop ekusha kamnandi sticks with Samakosi siyayimunya ojuhoto bako keso nathi sticks with Samakosi sithi ngakhathaze madoda ngizonimunyisa yamunyiswana la kwiLollipop insizwe lapha ke DRC engapha ke ekudla right on my feet ukufukeka Afrika sekalula Lilepo Lollipop namhlele uyakubela bamba ukutela kushiya phansi ushophe abeyile uthukele yasidlala madoda ngokuphuke ushesha ezoqala phansi ngapha ke ekudla Lollipop eyenza kamnandi jump Samakosi ukutela indlela phakathi boxing isishamlilo the firefighter uyasebenza kaThixo Jabi emuvukela phake inasiyo Mikhela eyivikela mbuso le phakamisa liyofuna lapha ke Lollipop isha kamnandi lapha ke Lilepo yona ke Lollipop ijilwa la liyofuna lapha ke ekudla uvela lapha ke injuna yendawo yena ke umhlele la umdlali olibambayo ibhola alidlale yena ke umhlele sibeka lapha ke Lilepo Lollipop yahlala manje Kaizer Chiefs isha kamnandi lapha ke injuna yendawo tena iKaizer Chiefs yena ke ubathile shado qala phasi ngale ke ekudla Lilepo ezobela lapha ke Palace manje sibeka lapha ke Tito wenzenjani sibeka lapha ke Tito wenzenjani hamba namadoda yena ke uTito phakathi eboxini yaphinda iKaizer Chiefs qala phasi lapha ke Kaizer Chiefs engapha ke ekudla Ranga Chibabiro uchwake uyabamba uRanga Chibabiro epela lapha ke umapho lapha kunikeza niyabona Lilepo sibeka lapha ke Lollipop phakamisa isophapo izoba offside lapha ke Lollipop shesele ngamakhanda lapha kabadlali uzobiza lapha ke
lasekhongo
Lilepo
M23 ayi madoda ya lo muntu lo uyenza football ibe simple. Football is not simple. But uLilepo Lollipop M23